Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad, and also turn your bells on if you want to be notified every time your girl upload a video. Coming at you guys with all the fall vibes, okay? This whole week your girl been putting out these contents with some looks that you can actually probably recreate. You know what I'm saying? Soft looks, burgundies, all of that good stuff, toning it down for you guys easy. So if you guys want to see how your girl got this look, keep on watching. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. So this starting right on in, getting to the business. I'm going to probably be doing like a burgundy pinkish type of gold look because that's pretty much what my outfit is. I do appreciate you guys showing me love on all my other social networks. You know what I'm saying? Y'all loving my outfits and my looks and everything like that. And I also love you guys on my YouTube channel as well. I really love you guys because I wouldn't be here if it weren't for y'all. Okay? Yeah, we're going to go right on in with this Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette. No, we're not. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and prime our lids with the e.l.f. Latte Concealer. And y'all probably see like a little burgundy tint on my eyes, but I tried to like do this look already, but it wasn't working for you, girl. It was looking a mess. Just go ahead and do it over. I'm glad I didn't get too deep in the look, y'all, because I would have been like, you know what, no makeup today, no look today. So I blended that concealer out. Y'all gonna be seeing me use different brushes because the brushes that I always use for my eyes and the brushes that I like to use, you know, my favorite ones, after I did that look, I didn't clean them or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking this Morphe Ring the Alarm palette, and I will be going in with this burgundy shade here called Frame, and I'm just gonna carve out my crease area. So that's pretty much just how this is gonna look. It's not that perfect or whatever. I ain't really try to make it perfect. So next I will be going in with this shade called Alert, and I also will be taking this shade called Rush. Now I will be going in with this shade called Secret and putting it in a crease. Okay guys, so now that I blended this out to the best that I'm gonna have it today for the time that I have, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the shade Tan Latte and just like cut the crease. I think I'm gonna do half crease today because I ain't got time to do full crease. Okay guys, so I carved out the crease. I'm just going to go ahead and go back in with this Ring the Alarm palette. I'm going to go in with the shade On Camera, and I'm just going to put that at the beginning of the crease. Okay you guys, so next I will be taking this shade called Boom and putting it right next to it. Okay you guys, so on top of that shade Boom, I'm going to be taking this shade called Lolly and putting it like right on top of it. Okay you guys, so blend out the edges. I will be taking this shade Siren and then going in with Secret afterwards. So that's pretty much how this is going to be looking on the eyes. So for today's liner, I will be going in with the Mega Liner. It is in the shade Black and it's from Wet n Wild. Okay y'all, so I will be going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and just cleaning up my liner and my shadows.
Chanel like in the store if you want. I bought a new bag, I had to watch what you tone.
Nah, okay. So we're gonna bring some moisture back into our face. We're going back in with this Pond's, y'all. I like to go in with this because your girl just likes to go in with this. And I did have to wipe some fallout from the burgundy shadow, so that's why we gotta go back in with the moisture and love our skin. I also go in with this Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair because your girl ain't trying to look old quick, okay? So I like to just go with it right there, and you can really just get a little bit because this stuff is oily. And yeah, I like to put a little bit right there on the neck and blend it. That Pond's and that Neutrogena, it be making my skin look younger, moisturized, all of it. So for today's foundation, I will be going in with the Morphe foundation. It is their matte foundation, full coverage fluid foundation. I'm in the shade F480. Okay, y'all, so today I will be going in with this Age Rewind concealer. It's from Maybelline and it's in the shade 10. So I will be going in with the CoverGirl powder, and it's in the shade 115 translucent medium. Going in with the Black Radiance contour palette. This is in the shade medium to dark, and I will be taking this dark brown shade right here and contouring. So for today's bronzer, I will be going in with this butter bronzer. It's from Physicians Formula and it's in the color Deep. So I will be sharpening up my contour just a little bit. I'm going back in with the same powder from CoverGirl. So going in with this Soft Focus finishing powder in the shade Creamy Bronze from Black Radiance to dust away all the powder and also bring some color back to the face. I will be going in with this Maybelline Fit Me blush and it's in the shade Berry. So I will be going back in with this Ring the Alarm palette and I will be taking that burgundy shade called Frame and putting it on my lower lash line. Okay y'all, so I will be going in with this Rocket Volume Express mascara from Maybelline and doing them lashes. I'm coming in with this Black Radiance Dewy Setting Spray, and I'm just gonna set this face. I'm using a dewy one. I actually have like all of them. Got the matte one, the dewy one, hydrating one. I have like all the ones that I know that they have up in my stores. And yeah, I want to try their foundation. I think they, no, that wasn't them. That was Julia's Place. Okay, whoever. I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna just set this with the dewy one because this face, okay, it feels very powdery and very dry. Okay, so I'm gonna bring some life. Okay, so I will be patting it in with my foundation brush. Okay you guys, so today's lashes is from Pastel Lashes, and they are in the style Pinkee, and I will be going in with my Duo Lash Glue to apply them. Okay y'all, so today for lips I will be going in with red. Nope, I ain't going in with it. I ain't doing it. So I will be going in with this Milani Stellar Lights palette, and I will be taking this rose gold shade, which is on the end, and highlighting my face. Okay y'all, for lips today I will be going in with this Ruby Kisses pencil. It is in the color Red Wine. Okay, so I will be going in with the Stay Glossy in the color Sunday Best and putting it on the lips. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you are new and you want to join the team, join the squad, bring it on in, all of that. And also comment your thoughts down below. Let me know what you like about the look. Let me know if you want more looks like this. Let me just know all your thoughts, you know what I'm saying. If you think I should change something, let me just know. If you guys like my talk videos, let me know. Let me just know what you guys thinking of my videos, period. If you guys do recreate this look, please tag your girl on your social networks and I will repost you as always. And you can always follow me on all my social networks. That's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest, all of that good stuff. I will list down below and also on the screen for you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video.